Hey, did you know that there is a school prom today? What? I always forget to check the schedule. Hmm. We need to buy clothes, and you need to start checking the school schedule. So stupid. Why are they even fighting over a school prom? Maybe I could just change the theme. They'll shut up. Hey, don't you need a class ticket? Did it say pink? Now it says blue. Shirlene mean clean bean girl stop. Time skip to the store to the changing room. Who the heck made this outfit? Stuff like this. Probably a weird person like Jacob. They got changed and she still likes her outfit. The red girls is just talking about the outfit. She just remembering the clothes that she wore. Why is everyone wearing pink?